I want to talk about using resources effectively. The thing is, there are a ton of resources out there to help you. So there's all the things that you got from your teacher, there's videos, notes, and a textbook. And there's other great resources out there to help you learn physics. There's Khan Academy, YouTube videos. Now AI is fantastic. You can ask questions and learn from asking questions. All those things are good. However, I want to talk to you about your mindset because all those things should be second. You are learning how to do physics, and you are learning how to do questions, and you are learning concepts. So the way you start learning is with a piece of paper with questions and your pen or pencil. That's it. When you begin doing questions, you need to say, I know physics. I know physics, and I'm doing this myself. So when you do that, there's going to be some questions that you can do on your own and some that you can't. And once you've practiced and done it on your own, that's when you go to resources for help. This idea of relying on yourself is key because you want to be able to perform. Go do those questions yourself. You want to say, I am doing this myself. When the question sits there and appears, at first you're going to be like, I don't know how to do this. You need to sit with that feeling on your own, you and the question in a battle, because you may be able to figure it out looking, trying, thinking. Try some things out. And if you can't, then you go to the resources. But first you fight. I was thinking of an illustration of this in, tribal ancient cultures. A lot of them have this thing where children can join hunting. So the people of the tribe need to go hunt to kill animals to get their food. And when children are young, maybe they hang out with the adults as they do that. But when children get to a certain age, they need to go by themselves into the forest to get an animal. And maybe they've got a week or 2 weeks and they're by themselves. And that child has to become an adult by hunting the animal for themselves and bringing it back. And once the child's done that, they've matured and now they're kind of part of the adult society. So when you use resources, it's like your child watching other people hunt. But I want you to be that child in the forest by yourself. You're relying on your own resources and you're hunting the boar to get yourself. So this is just to say it's really easy to immediately go to what does Khan Academy say, what does AI say. And if you do that every time, you're going to be very stunted in your learning. You will spend more time learning and learn less well than if you just force yourself to do these questions by yourself.